Your safety, our mission. Please fasten seatbelt.
Hi Thomas, why did you install my truck?
We installed the latest Streamax Dashcam for you. If you have any trouble, please press the button on the device.
Oh, I guess I have no use for it.
Fatigue warning. Please rest now. Please have a rest in service area for your safety consideration.
Oh, thanks. It is a good idea.
If you have any trouble, please press the button on the device.
Panic alert.
Hey Andrew, it looks like you're in trouble.
What are you doing? You scratched my car. You gotta pay it.
Yes. What should I do?
Don't worry, the video of what happened was just sent to your mobile. Click the link to view the vehicle video playback.
Tell your friend with the hand. Don't touch the door of my carriage. I can see clearly what he is doing back there. Hey mate, I almost got blackmailed today. Luckily, they scared away by the video. After all, Dashcam isn't so bad.